Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to show you something that's completely different from any smartwatch or fitness app I've used before. This is Pison, and what makes it different is that it doesn't only focus on your physical health. It also helps you better understand your cognitive performance and encourages you to train your brain every day. So now, let's do the unboxing. At first, I thought it was just another health app, but after using it, I realized it's much more than that. Most of us spend a lot of time taking care of your bodies. We go to the gym, we play sports, we try to eat better, and we want to stay healthy. But we rarely think about training our brains. Our brain controls our focus, our memory, our reaction time, and the decisions we make every day, just like your muscles. Our brain also benefits from regular training. That's exactly what caught my attention about Pison. Getting started was really easy. I downloaded the Pison app on my iPhone, connect my watch, and everything was ready in just a few minutes. The app is clean, easy to use, and very simple to navigate. One of my favorite features is the daily cognitive training. Pison recommends spending about 5 minutes a day completing 3 quick tests. The first one is Readiness. It tells me how mentally prepared I am before starting an important task. I like checking my readiness score before going to the gym or before starting to work. It gives me a better understanding of how I am feeling mentally that day. The second test is Agility. It measures reaction speed and mental processing. Since I play tennis regularly, this is probably my favorite test. Tennis requires quick reactions, focus, and fast decision making. I enjoy checking my agility results before and after I play because it's another way to better understand my overall performance. The first test is Focus. It measures how well I am able to stay concentrated without getting distracted. The great thing is that all 3 tests only take a few minutes, so they're very easy to include in my daily routine. Another feature I really like is the cognitive pattern chart. Pison recommends taking the Readiness test 3 times a day, about every 2 hours. After a few days, the app starts learning my routine. It shows me the times of the day when my brain performance at its best. I think that's really useful because I can plan important work or other demanding tasks during my best mental hours. Another feature I enjoy is the cognitive performance chart. It helped me understand how my mental performance changes throughout the day. The more I use the app, the more personalized the insights become. Everything is based on my own routine, not just general averages. Pison also recommends wearing the watch while you sleep. So I started wearing it overnight as part of my routine. While I am sleeping, the watch continues collecting data in the background. The next morning, I can open the app and see more personalized insights based on my overnight data. I really like that everything happens automatically, without any extra effort. One thing that also impressed me is that Pison's neural sensing technology. It's already included in the Xiaomi Watch 5. Samsung is also an investor in the company. That gives me even more confidence in the technology they're building. Overall, I think Pison offers a completely different way of looking at wearable technology. Instead of only tracking your physical activity, it also helps you better understand your cognitive performance. The app is easy to use. The daily tests only take a few minutes, and the insights becomes more personalized over time. For me, that's what makes this technology so interesting. We spend a lot of time training our bodies. Maybe it's also worth spending a few minutes training our brains. thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.